hereby appoint Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Governor of Manipur, to discharge the functions of the Governor of Nagaland, with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 16th day of August in the year 2025, to be filled Shravan and Info Plaza in the 76th year of the Republic of India.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक नागालैंड के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूँगा तथा अपनी पूरी योग्यता से संविधान और विधि का परीक्षण, संरक्षण और प्रतिरक्षण करूँगा और मैं अजय कुमार भल्ला नागालैंड की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में निरत रहूँगा।
Until May 1944, and this battle saw some of the most fierce fighting ever seen in the Asian subcontinent. This battle is also referred to as the Stalingrad of the East. Prerequisite to this battle, the Allied forces had already lost their positions in Burma and Singapore, which is considered as one of the worst disasters in British history. And subsequently, the Japanese, under Operation U-Go, had formed invasion plans from Burma into India. And the 31st Japanese Division had a history of never losing a battle. they were defeated here on the grounds that we are standing on. To quickly orient you, sir, we are currently here in the parking area. The segment marked with A is the memorial where the governor will be doing the reclaim ceremony, sir. The point marked with Bravo is the cremation memorial, sir. 917 soldiers of the Allied forces, Hindu, Sikhs and Buddhists, were committed to fire as per their last rites, and their names are etched on the cremation memorial. The memorial here, marked with Charlie, as one can see on top there, sir, is the area of the tennis court. I will subsequently be briefing you about the battle of the tennis court as we reach there, sir. And finally, down below, behind you, is the memorial of the 2nd Division that came as reinforcements from Bhima. Aspects that led to the eventual Japanese defeat and the victory of the right forces. We also include the contributions of the DC. It is said, because I've said in that that it is said that the DC promised to rebuild the infrastructure that was lost during the battle. It was a promise that he kept. A very famous quote of the DCs was that I will never leave my mother. When he was asked to leave Kohima after the war. So, and he was also very instrumental in conducting a lot of recruitment as well of the local boys into the Allied forces, employing them as porters and guides. So one of the graves on the immediate upslope, we might not be going there, has been marked, is of an Angali soldier. It to be said, sir, if this ground was not held, we might not be in India as we know it as part of history, as subsequently as it was. By Brick Wall, sir. And the memorial on the tennis court stands as a testament to all the soldiers who fought from the DC's camp. What you see on towards your left, sir, on the top of the hill, that is the cremation memorial, sir, that has the names of the Hindu and Sikh soldiers.
Climbed up to the Aradhura and then they rolled down towards this hill where all these positions were. So I was telling you, they would have taken this and then gone further northwards towards Dimapur. And Dimapur was the railhead, the air highway. So that's what was being prevented.
You can go down to the